talking about leadership. You know, like the speaker said, we tell them.
For you to dissolve Baratabanipo,
and because I spoke to the constitution, I spoke to the that whole thing reports to the attorney general, to the prosecutor general's office. Why does Tabani go? That's what I want to tell you. Why does Tabani go? Why do you allow deletion where to go around the Chita Shandaning? Can I Shandaning do they could Amata can you get Kumata and put it who end up clashing? These are the issues I want to talk to him about tomorrow. Are you with me? Could you tell me one way which is in the windows? Imagine the Pudam Zukuru, Umuswande Waka Kone Kumbabu, Mukan Chile, Namakam Gunanchi took and Kumakani Tawari. It's an example I give. I'm with you. He told you that. But I'm not on the chance of Stalin. In inadequate, hard for you, I really, I can't enough. But could defend and he didn't defend the foot in him from using it to kill what in him. And this is where my whole thing is coming from. Because she's doing a good job, that's it. She's incorruptible because she does a good job. You know? And then he goes on. This is what I'm saying, Kuti. This is the issue that I'm saying to him, Kutao. It's not in a thing.
It goes like this. In the shape of what